Imagine a world where, when looking up at the night sky, the famous luminous orb we admire so much disappears without a trace. A dark night without the comforting presence of our dear moon. What would happen to our nights, our oceans, and life on Earth as we know it? And more importantly, what would happen to us humans on a world suddenly deprived of its natural satellite? Could we face unprecedented natural disasters? And what would that imply for our understanding of time, the seasons, and our own biological rhythms? Join us on this speculative journey as we explore the unimaginable impact and surprising consequences of a scenario where the moon suddenly disappears. Long before any life on Earth, our planet was a fiery ball of magma, a wild and chaotic environment in the vast cosmos. But Earth was not alone. Traveling through the solar system was Theia, a Mars-sized protoplanet destined to cross paths with Earth. And then, about 4.5 billion years ago, the inevitable happened. Theia collided with Earth. The impact was so massive that it sent massive debris into space. These debris, under the influence of gravity, began to orbit around the Earth. They came together, coalesced, and over time, formed our celestial companion, the Moon. Thus, our Moon is, in fact, an extension of Earth itself, born out of a catastrophic event. It serves as a silent testament to the power and wonder of the cosmic processes that shaped our solar system. Tides have fascinated mankind since time immemorial, and behind this enigmatic phenomenon lies the silent influence of the Moon. The Moon's gravity pulls Earth's oceans towards it. This gravitational tug causes a bulge in the water, a rise, which is high tide. As the Earth rotates, this bulge moves around the planet, which is why we have 2 high tides and 2 low tides every day in many places. These regular tides are vital to many coastal ecosystems. Mangroves, estuaries, and tidal pools depend on this constant rhythm, and marine life, from small invertebrates to large fish, adapt to this cycle. Now, without the Moon, this oceanic ballet would be dramatically different. The tides would only be about a third the size they are now, thanks to the Sun's gravitational tug alone. The impact on marine ecosystems would be unimaginable. When we look up at the night sky, we see the Moon as a silent, unchanging sphere. But its role in Earth's stability is crucial and dynamic. The Earth does not rotate on a fixed axis. It oscillates, or in technical terms, precesses. This movement is influenced by several factors, but the Moon plays a key role in stabilizing it. If we look at other planets in our solar system, like Uranus, we see extreme axial tilts. Without the Moon, Earth could also have a much more variable axial tilt, leading to drastic climate changes. Imagine unpredictable seasons, with winters that can be mild or extremely harsh, summers that can be mild or scorching, all in a chaotic pattern. Earth's biodiversity, adapted to a relatively stable climate, would have to face constant challenges. Without the stabilizing influence of the Moon, the Earth's axis could vary much more than the current 23.5 degrees. Life, as we know it, would depend on luck and the ability to adapt to constantly changing environments. The Moon, in its fullness, lights up our nights, turning the darkness into a silver cloak. Since ancient times, she has been a lantern in the sky, guiding travelers and inspiring poets. Cultures around the world have woven countless stories and legends under its glow. For our ancestors, the Moon was not just a celestial body. It was a symbol of hope, renewal, and even a guide to agriculture. The passage of time was often measured by its cycles. Lunar calendars, based on the phases of the Moon, have helped civilizations plan for harvests, festivals, and other important events. And it's not just humanity that is guided by its brilliance. Many creatures of the night are guided and fed by the Moon's light. It influences behavior patterns, migrations, and even mating rituals. Now imagine a world without the Moon. Much darker nights, with only the stars to light our way. The absence of its nocturnal glow would have a profound impact on our natural and cultural world. Since the beginning of humanity, our ancestors looked at the sky and noticed a rhythm, a cycle that the Moon follows, repeating itself month after month. This lunar cycle observation is not just a celestial phenomenon. Many cultures have noticed parallels between the cycles of the Moon and female menstruation cycles, both of which have similar lengths. In addition, many traditions believe that the Moon can influence our well-being, mood, and even our sleep rhythms. Some wellness and meditation practices are aligned with the phases of the Moon to maximize energy and insight. Without the Moon and its visible cycles, what would our relationship with time be like? How could biological rhythms, traditions, and beliefs have adapted in a world without this celestial clock? The Moon, with its silent presence in the sky, wields a hidden power over our planet that is evident on every coastline in the world: the tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, causing the regular rise and fall of water we know as tides. It's a cosmic ballet between Earth and its lunar companion. These tides are not mere curiosities. They play a vital role in many marine ecosystems, feeding mangroves, creating tidal pools, and influencing migratory patterns of various aquatic species. For human coastal communities, the tides dictate the pace of life. Fishermen base their departures on the flow of the tide, and shellfish gatherers seek their treasures when the tide recedes. And in our quest for clean energy sources, tidal predictability offers an opportunity. Tidal power plants are being explored as a sustainable way to generate electricity. Without the moon's influence, our oceans would be drastically different. The tides, with their constant ebb and flow, could be reduced to mere ripples caused by the sun and the Earth's own spin. In addition to tides and biological rhythms, the moon plays a critical role in Earth's own stability. This axial stability gives us predictable seasons. Without the moon, seasons could become unpredictable, with intensely hot summers and freezing winters, or even no seasons at all in some regions. Imagine the difficulty of farming, for example, in a world where the seasons are inconsistent. Entire ecosystems, adapted to regular cycles, would be thrown into chaos. Additionally, the moon acts as a shield, often intercepting asteroids and space debris that could hit Earth. She has been our faithful heavenly bodyguard for billions of years. And the wonders of the moon in relation to Earth do not stop there. It may also have played a role in generating and maintaining Earth's magnetic field, shielding our planet from harmful cosmic radiation. In our modern era, the moon has become the stage for human space conquest. She ceased to be just an object of worship and became a destination, a testament to the exploratory spirit of humanity. For many, the moon remains a source of wonder and curiosity. Lunar festivals are celebrated around the world, bringing communities together to appreciate and reflect on their influence. While it's tempting to marvel at the idea of a moonless sky, its vital importance to life on Earth is undeniable. The moon is not just a celestial body. It is a reminder of the wonder of the universe and the delicate balance of life. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this incredible journey exploring what would happen if the moon disappeared. If you were surprised, learned something new, or just had fun, please give the video a like. It really helps us bring more content like this to you.